Here we are Saturday morning, February 6th in the Northeast, central Pennsylvania. We were thinking we'd get about 8 inches of snow, and here we are with about 21 inches of snow. A lot of snow to dig out from. John out there pushing it out of the driveway. You can see on the side how it's piled up. We should be on our way to Williamsport, PA for the Lady Warrior basketball game, and it's been canceled and rescheduled for tomorrow if we can get out. I don't know if there's more snow coming today or not. All around the neighborhood it's pretty quiet. This video is going up on antiagingbydesign.com, where we have a few tips for shoveling the snow, smart ways to do it, not to overdo it. We'll be back with more.